everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy V-Bucks with Amazon gift card. So if you have an Amazon gift card and you wish to use it to buy some V-Bucks, so unfortunately you won't be able to use the Amazon gift card straight away on Fortnite or Valorant to buy a V-Bucks card, like directly use it. But instead what you can do, this workaround, simply go to Amazon. And since you have an Amazon gift card, so what you can do, search for a V-Bucks gift card on Amazon. So search for it. So search for a gift card, so you will find a lot of gift cards on Amazon. So just buy the V-Bucks gift card so that you can use this V-Bucks gift card on the official website and redeem it. So now what you can do, simply select any gift card here that suits your budget. So simply select that, and then once you have selected it, so all you have to do now is simply buy it. So when you buy it, so you're going to use your Amazon gift card as the payment method. So when you get to the payment page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to use your Amazon gift card. So here, enter your Amazon gift card code here, and then hit on apply. That way you will redeem your Amazon gift card and complete this transaction to purchase this V-Bucks gift card. So once you have purchased this V-Bucks gift card, just make sure that you have sufficient funds to cover up your purchase. Alright, so once sufficient funds in your Amazon gift card. So once that's done, so once you have purchased this, so now you'll have the code. So simply go to V-Bucks and then hit on this purchase. Simply click on buy V-Bucks. Just a second. Alright, so here, so if you have V-Bucks card, so simply hit on get started so that you can redeem it. So all you have to do now is just enter the PIN from the gift card that you just purchased, hit on next, and that's it. The V-Bucks, whatever you have bought, will be transferred to your account. So that's how you can actually use your Amazon gift card to purchase V-Bucks through Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.